guys, welcome back. I've been away for a few days. We flew to Houston to see our grandchildren and our son and his wife and my daughter-in-laws, and we are back now. So today I've been planting some giant tomatoes here. They're called giant tomatoes. They're there. And then, let me take you over there. I sat down for a break. They look kind of limp because I've had them inside, and while I was away, the lights were turned off, but they'll bounce back. And over here, we have the Cuban peppers called cachucha peppers, and you chop them up, and I put them in my black beans, and it gives it such a flavor. So hopefully, these are the ones that I told you I've had trouble growing for like years. They're a challenge. But for some reason this year, I added extra worm castings, and there they are. So I'm hoping that when I get the peppers, I'll be able to save seeds and put them up for sale on my website. So yeah, that'll be good. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm eating a cutie thing, and I'm going to go to work later. And my rose bushes are coming back, which I can't wait. Let me take you to see the potatoes I put in that giant Timu potato circle thing. Oh, you could plant anything in here really, but I use it for potatoes. But look at that. They're growing. So Joe and I have a day planned. I believe it's next Sunday. We're going to come in here, and he's going to help me pull all the weeds and finish filling this thing up and get things going. I have onions growing here. Oh, I had to stop the video because I had to sneeze, allergies. My thyme is, my sage is growing really well. I'm going to try to get through this video without sneezing a hole. The worm barrel, I left it open. I've been throwing the weeds in there. And the dead animal that was in there is gone now. And look at the trellis. Look at all these flowers. How beautiful. They are gorgeous. So we have a watering system here in the garden, and Joe is gonna set it up and run the lines and everything. But for now, I use my rain barrel here to water everything. And look what I discovered. Now these giant monstrosity things are weeds. I cannot pull them out. They're like rooted to, I don't know. Joe's gonna get them. So I have surprise strawberries growing. I didn't even know. Look. I hope the moles don't get them, and the snails don't get them. Look at that. And they're perennials from last year, so I'm happy with that. But anyway, remember I talked about this box and that box being yanked out? Well, we're going to probably do it in the fall or next spring. I told Joe I want one last chance to grow in them. And then we're just going to take the wood apart, and we're going to just let it settle down naturally. But I think I got one more chance. So I don't know what I'm going to put in here. Maybe some beets. So that's what's up today. So, did you guys miss me? I haven't been on. I got a message from, let's see, Pachamama Worms message say, hey, I haven't seen a video from you. So thank you for being concerned that I was out. But we hadn't seen our grandbabies in a while, and we wanted to just take some time and go do that. But now I'm back. And we got back Monday night, and today is Thursday, and believe it or not, I'm still tired, but I got all my laundry done and got meals prepared. So, but you know how it is when you travel, you're exhausted. So I'm gonna water these guys, and then that'll be it. So when I travel, the day before I leave, I make sure I prepare all the worms. Like, I water them extra, I give them food, and I leave them alone. And I've been gone up to a week and more, and I come back and the worms are fine. So you can travel. You just have to, prepare a little bit ahead of time. So I really hope that these strawberries, they make it, because that'd be so cool. If you haven't ever tasted a fresh strawberry, oh boy, it is incredible to taste. So, and I got to get that red cup. So I haven't been watering anything in here, really. I've just let nature do it. So the strawberries like that, like they just came back on their own. And those potatoes over there and the green thing, I haven't watered them at all. But the night we got back from Texas, I got woken up around 4 in the morning from hail. A hailstorm came through, and I thought for sure my potatoes are going to be like, the plants are going to be destroyed. But that's happened before, and I don't do anything to them. They come back, they recover. But we do have a hole over here, and the door on my storage little greenhouse blew off, but Joe fixed it. So thank God we're okay. You know, the weather here lately has just been crazy, and I don't know why. But anyway, I want to plant some, I think I'm just going to plant some beets. I might do later in the summer some carrots, and that way maybe I could have a fall harvest, you know. I've never done like a full garden, so I don't know. We get a lot of rabbits here, so I think if I plant like a lot of greens, the rabbits will get them, but I don't know. You never know. You never know. So maybe I'll do that. I don't know. I haven't been to Walmart in months. I don't really like going shopping. I know. I'm one of the few that I'll shop online, but I hate going to the store. I just hate it. So, but maybe I'll pop over there and I'll see what they have. I really want to grow some rhubarb this year. And I'm missing some basil. So, because I love pesto. So I really want to make basil this year. Every year I plant it. Every year I don't do it. So this will be my pesto year. All right, guys. This is a quick little update. Friday I'll be back on here. Well, that's tomorrow, hopefully. I do have a lot of work to do in the wormery. Like, I just got to like clean up, sweep up, and tidy up. Because, you know, I like to keep everything clean. And when I do the video for my Sage hair conditioner, I'll pop on and I'll put that on so that you guys could see how I make that, because Sage tea is the tea that I leave in my hair after I shampoo it, and it makes my hair super soft because I have really curly hair. And sometimes it gets dry, you know, so, but that helps. So anyway, the garden's coming to life, and I love being out here. This is like my little sanctuary out here, and my worm room is my sanctuary when well, a bee came after me. What else is new? My worm room is like my indoor sanctuary, so I'll keep you guys updated on everything. So press that subscribe button. Go find my other worm channel, the Composting Worm Lady. I'm starting to get in the 600s there, so I'm halfway there. So anyway, guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.